Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to look at the polarity of HF molecule. And to determine its polarity we are first going to look at its Lewis structure, followed by the difference of electronegativities of the atoms involved in the structure. So whenever we are determining a polarity for any molecule, we first look at the structure and the way the atoms are arranged in the molecule. Here we have a simple Lewis structure, but because it is a diatomic molecule, it just consists of hydrogen and fluorine. So the Lewis structure is quite simple and it has a linear geometry. So we are clear on that part. Now when we proceed ahead and look at its electronegativities, the fluorine atom has an electronegative value of 3.98 and for hydrogen it is 2.20. When you calculate the difference of electronegativities between hydrogen and nitrogen, it is quite higher than 0.4, which means that this bond is polar. Generally, when the differences of electronegativities is higher than 0.4, we consider that bond as polar bond. So as this is a polar bond and fluorine is more electronegative than the hydrogen atom, it will try to pull electrons, the shared electrons, towards itself, making it a partially negative charged atom, and hydrogen will acquire partial positive charge on it. So when we write this partial charges, it means that there are creation of poles in this molecules, and as this molecules has poles because of higher electronegativity of fluorine atom, this molecule is a polar molecule. So I hope this video helps you to understand the polarity of HF molecule, and for more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.